All right, guys, we're finally back. I know it's been a while since we posted a video, but this is gonna be a good one. We're actually working on the lathe. Now, I know Ryan and I have a bit of reputation of not finishing projects, and this sucker is at the top of the list, but we're changing that today. We're gonna upgrade just about everything. Talking the ways, as you guys know, there was a little bit of a dip right here in the ways. We're gonna fix that. The cross slide's got like, I don't know, 4 or 5 thou play in it at least. We're fixing that. We're gonna add a DRO, the whole deal. So stick around, let's get. Is it supposed to be that color?
Can make it a little more green if you think.
Yeah. Oh, much better.
Ass.
My gosh, this thing is perfect. I mean, pretty much everything is fixed on it. DRO is working great. I know it's been a long time coming making this video, so I really hope you enjoyed it. It took us a lot of work. So, all right, see you guys in the next one.